In this video, we will see the introduction to database table in DDIC. So in the previous video, we already saw how to access DDIC in ABAP. So let us see the first element in DDIC, that is database table. So what exactly is database table? So it is an object which stores the data in the forms of row and column. So each row is called as a record and each column is called as a field. So to define a particular table, we have the option to provide a fields. Fields are nothing but combination of data element and domain. So let us see what exactly data element and domain is. So domain, it is an object which specifies the technical information or technical attributes of a field, so such as data type and its length. So it also specifies sign, lowercase, conversion routine, fixed values and value table. Then comes the data element. So data element is nothing but an object which specifies the semantic object, and domain was which specifies the technical information, and this is the semantic option such as the field description, field labels, such as if it is short, medium, long or heading. And there are some advantages of using both domains and data elements, that is, in a particular table we can use domain, and in another particular table we can use the same domain and data element. So we have the option, that is reusability. So it is an advantage here to use data element and domains. Moreover, these are also used in creating foreign key relationship, which are helpful in search helps and ALE iDocs. And then comes key fields. So what is key field? So key field is a particular field which has a unique record, and moreover in a table we have the option, that is we have to maintain one key field as a primary field itself. So now let us look at another video where we are describing steps to create a table.